The Trump campaign is mounting a number of legal challenges in a number of states against the counting processes. The White House has repeatedly claimed electoral fraud and lack of transparency without, we must stress, offering any evidence. Jack Parrock reports for us from Washington, D.C.
Unsubstantiated claims of voter fraud from the president. His team is filing a flurry of lawsuits claiming mail-in ballots are being counted past the deadline, trying to get the counts stopped.
So there are questions about who changed these deadlines. Was it the legislature? Was it an election commission? Was a court? If it was a court, did that court exceed its powers under the state constitution or the federal constitution to change those deadlines? And that's how they try to leverage these cases from being state court cases into becoming federal cases, so that they can get them in front of, they hope, Trump-appointed federal judges.
Most of the cases are being filed in the battleground states of Georgia, Nevada, Michigan and Pennsylvania, the last states to declare their results. 20 years ago, a tight race between George Bush and Al Gore was won after a legal battle over Florida went all the way to the Supreme Court. But legal experts don't expect the same to happen this time.
2000 is probably the election that sticks most in people's mind, that it goes up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court reviewed Florida's Supreme Court decision, and it issued its opinion December 12th, and that was to hit the deadline for naming those electors. So even if the Trump campaign is trying to delay this decision, get it to the electors and then to certify in Congress, he can't just hand over to the Supreme Court and say this election was unfair.
Donald Trump says he's going to fight all the way to the Supreme Court, but it's unclear whether any of the lawsuits he's filing would ever make it there, or if they would be able to change the result of the election. Jack Parrock, Euronews, Washington, D.C.